Thank you. Hi, great to be here. My name's Lawrence.
Once you've done the intros, you're already going.
And it's not often that you get led so nicely into this by Bank of England and BlackRock, but they both mentioned stress testing and scenario analysis planning. So Sibli is a startup, Canadian-based company with New York and London operations. I'm based here. So what do we do? So we're helping portfolio managers, senior analysts, chief investment officers to increase their breadth, their coverage, so to see more stocks and to go deeper into those as well. We use different types of technologies to do that, and so there's the obvious across agent chains, across LLMs and so forth. But we have found a way to pass financial model forecasts as well. So all the Excel spreadsheets that analysts have, we can take in hundreds and we can standardize those, and then we'll be able to pull them apart and create a computational graph. And then by using some causal inference magic, you can start to attach the customer data to the very specific KPIs and drivers within their forecast models, and then run scenario analysis on that. What if the price of oil goes up? What if the price of electricity goes down? How does this affect my entire portfolio? So there are different use cases for that. We deploy in the client environment, so in their virtual private cloud, so all of their data remains secure, their IP is safe. And we're working with some of the largest pension funds and asset managers in the world, a couple of the Maple 8s in Canada. There's one of our marquee clients in Liverpool Street, a 500 billion AUM asset manager, is using these tools as well to get further insights into new areas that they're monitoring on their portfolio. So I'll pause there and see if there were any questions for that, or are we all good?
Very much. I certainly do have some questions. I would love to find out how your clients are currently using this technology. How are they deploying it?
So if I think about a couple of the portfolio managers, one based in Vancouver has pressure from the board to increase the size of the portfolio that he and the investment pod is monitoring, but also to leverage the analysts' spreadsheets, their financial forecasts, in a more effective manner. They're trying to do templating. If you've ever tried to do that, that's not an easy thing to do, and there's a lot of pushback around that. But there is an ability to standardize and then feed it back to the chief investment officers so they can see a global view across all investment pods and how they're adhering to the investment philosophy of the company and each investment team.
How would you say, I mean, there's lots of different AI tools within the market. Why does your technology, would you say, stand out? How is it different?
Yeah, I try to lead not with the technology on this and the actual problem and what we're seeing. So the portfolio managers, they do need to do the scenario analysis and the stress testing that BlackRock and the Bank of England mentioned. So that's what we're focused on. Yes, we have found efficiencies by leveraging the different large language models and how our agent chains run across those. So there is a compute saving, which we have proved to the CTOs in the teams as well.
Okay, lovely. Well, thank you very much. I know you're going to be around for the rest of the day. If anybody else in the audience has questions for you, but a round of applause for Lawrence Timmins from Sibli. Thank you very much. Thank you.